Snoring, very interestingly, can span a range of diseases. It can be just simple snoring where it's just noise. It can be when you have airway resistance where it's harder to breathe, or it can be what we call obstructive sleep apnea, which, I mean, basically you stop breathing or you don't breathe enough many times throughout the night, which has an impact on health. So it may be very innocuous like simple snoring, but severe sleep apnea has a potential of lowering your survival and your life expectancy over time. So it increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and all that. So that has a major impact on health. So snoring can be fine, but it may potentially be really serious.